Okay, smile. Angry face. It's okay.
This is the real one. Thank you. Wow, even they run with the dogs behind me. This is the marathon basically. Wow, no wonder then the road is closed and this one is the loud music. Wow, look at this. Wow, in the weather like 15 or 16 degrees they already do a marathon. It's how it is the police people deal with the cold one. Look at this one. Wow, see, and they have apples here, juice, and yeah, let's see. Okay, so that's the medal, and then I'll show you. Wow, so basically this is how it is. The finish line of the marathon is about 16 kilometers, something like that. So that's the medal, and yeah, this is how it is. I think I'm the only one Asian here who's watching. So yeah, I'll show you on the top like this. It's so loud, I hope that you still can hear me. And this is how it is.
Skupmy się na tych, którzy naprawdę w okolicach godziny i 12 minut. Damian Tyduk teraz, na tym miejscu. Damian jeszcze trochę. Okolicach godziny 40.
So basically this is the crowd. I hope you can hear me. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the crowd. Wow. Dzień dobry. Good afternoon, everyone. So it's very nice weather today, but still it is cold for me. And surround me is I think one event. Actually, this is a marathon, and just right behind me you see the crowd everywhere. Wow. So when I walk before, the roads everywhere are closed because of this event. Look at this. This is not what is it called? This is not a beach club. I mean the loud music like in beach club, but obviously this is a big event in Poznan. Oh, look at that. So if you can see it, this is how the marathon event basically. It's so packed of people. They run marathon in the cold weather like this, but maybe for them it's already warm. For me, still cold. And again, I think I'm the only one Asian here watching the marathon. I think because this is the biggest event in Poznan and all of the people actually coming from any other cities also joining the marathon. Can you hear that one? The sound of the crowd and just like the people behind me. I'm wearing my jacket, but they're just doing marathon with the shorts. I'm still feeling cold. Right, so this is how it is, the crowd, and I think this one is the finish line. So they already stopped here. So some of them even take off the clothes. The plane is landing, so look at this crowd. See, people enjoying their time here. Cool. Basically, this is the event for today. And let's go there. I think that there are some restaurant. There are so many food trucks. So I'm thinking to buy something. Wow, look at this. Look at the crowd. Ice cream. Fritki. Fritki means the fries. Zapiekanka. Nice. Cool. Pivo, napoye. Napoye means drink basically. And burger. Wow. And the tortilla. Kubeki. Wow. Look at this beautiful fountain. Wow. And the lights under it. It's amazing. And look at this. so packed of people. So I think that again I'm the only one Asian here. Look at surround me. Wow, wow, so packed of people. And this one is the exhibition. I'll show you around. So I'll show you around. I think this one is the exhibition of the army in Poland. And look, wow, wow, super cool. Wow, 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 so many people. Wow, wow, wow. Look, this one also the tank. I think the tank over there where so many kids are going up. And look at this. Wow. 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 So look at this crowd. Seems like the kids, they are not afraid of that, but they really, enjoy it. Wow. Cool. Wow. Wow. Look at the sunshine and look at this. Wow. And look at the army on the top. And look at another tank. Super cool. Wow. Wow. It's super cool experience actually whenever you that come here in the middle of the crowd. You feel like this is a real authentic experience, and they really share you about everything, about the army, about so many things. So amazing. So I remember when I tell my parents that I'm going to Poland, and they are like, huh? How about the war and everything? But look at this behind me. Everything is safe here. So look at the aeroplane here. Oops, can you see that? Wow, so big. And the crowd, wow, wow. They are genuinely, happy that sharing how it is about the army and about everything regarding to the security system. So nice. So basically this is how they share about the things. Of course they speaking Polish. And look, this one, because sharing is caring, right? Sharing is caring. Even the TV station here behind me, I just remember when I used to work on TV station in Bali, Indonesia. So nice. This is how it is. Can you see that? That's the Polish Lot airline. Whoa, so big, huh? So that was the Centrum Targowe, the building that we passed. That over there is the marathon. Right, and then you just turn left, and this one is the fountain with the so many food trucks. And basically that's over there is the exhibition, the army exhibition. Wow, you see, yes, so many people, pack of people. Right, you see more and more people are coming. Wow, wow, wow. Super cool. Oh, now they're celebrating the finish of the marathon basically. Wow. Look at this. I know it's loud, but look at this, the euphoria after the marathon. Like this one.
Rozświetlając wasze twarze, ale są już oświetlone naszymi uczestnikami.
So I feel cold and I decided to go inside the building and look at this crowd. Wow. Wow. Inside the building they also showing you how is the army, the police army. You see even the small child there. She's so brave. Like I told you, sharing is caring. This is how the way they educate the people about how safe is Poland High, you know, bre? Okay, this guy invited me to take a picture. Can I take a picture?
Yes.
This one?
Okay.
It's so heavy.
Okay. Okay, smile. Angry face. It's okay.
This is the real one. Thank you. Wow. 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 Look at this. Wow. So this is how it is inside the building. I told you, police people never feel cold. Wow. So this one is the rock climbing practice, and this one is, I don't know what sort of game is this, and this one is tennis. Wow. I think that this is how the police people stay fit during the cold. I'm so hungry, so I bought my chicken kebab and cappuccino. It's cost me around 24 zloty. Whoa, look at this. Wow, they really don't feel cold. Oh, look at that. Behind is the live band. So cool. Yay, go, 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 go. So basically this is the marathon. It's about quite long kilometers they run under the cold. So yeah, look at this. Wow, and behind me is the live band music. See? Super cool. Woohoo! Go, 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 go. They run. Actually, it's very cold for me. But looks, they keep running and running. This is how Polish people, they never give up. Woohoo! Bravo! Even his mother ran with the babies. Woohoo! Bravo! Bravo! Cool! Very nice. Wow! Even they run with the dogs behind me. Super cool! Wow! Everybody participating, you see? Wow! Cool! Look at this family! Super cool! Yay! Look at that! Look, see, people really enjoying, and look at the flower over there. And look at the kids behind me. They're also enjoying their time, you know, taking a picture behind, so what I can sit in. I feel so enjoyable. I feel so happy to be here and experience many things that, like, this is my lifetime experience. So, well, I'm speechless. Okay, I think that's all my video today from my walk. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Do widzenia.